The first part of this question says write down the name of the planet with the greatest mass. So if we go down the mass column, the one with the biggest size, this is times 10 to the power of 27. It's bigger than the rest, it's Jupiter. Part B says find the difference between the mass of Venus and the mass of Mercury. So let's go down the columns. There's Mercury. So Mercury is 3.302 times 10 to the 23. I'll put M for Mercury. And then we want the mass of Venus. So the mass of Venus is going to be that one there, which is 4.869 times 10 to the 24. And that's Venus. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to do this on the calculator. I'll show you the buttons to press for the standard form as well. So the biggest one is this, Venus, so 4.869, and then the button on the calculator for standard form is times 10 to the x, and then we're going to put a 24 in there, and then take away 3.302 times 10 to the 23, and that equals, just about read that, 4.5388 times 10 to the 24. So we've got 4.5388 times 10 to the 24 kilograms. And finally, the last part of the question, Nishat says that Neptune is over 100 times further away from Earth than Venus is. Is Nishat right? So the two ones are Neptune and Venus. So we're going to look at that one and that one. So these are the two numbers. That's the bigger one of the two, that's the smaller. So if we do that one divided by that one and see if it's bigger than 100. So we're going to do 4.35 times 10 to the 9 divided by 4.14 times 10 to the 7. And let's do that on the calculator. So if we get 4.35 times 10 to the 9 divided by 4.14 times 10 to the 7 equals, and that comes to 105.0724. So is Neptune over 100 times further away than Earth and Venus is? Yes, Nishat is right.